The lady that's screaming is the lady sitting next to her.
That's my cousin.
What's your name?
Angela Perry. I'm from Montgomery, Alabama.
Uh-oh, the goat, baby. What do you do for a living?
I work at Hyundai, build engines.
Hyundai, okay.
Yes.
Who is that up there?
That's my cousin, Jackie.
Little loud Jackie. Where does Jackie work?
Jackie is a professor at Miles College in Birmingham, Alabama.
What are you a professor in?
She does it all.
I'm a communications professor. Come on down here, help. Okay, turn around. This is what we're gonna do. Now listen to me. I got 20 pictures up on this board. Every time you match one of those pictures, I'm gonna give you $100. I got 60 seconds on the clock. If you match all 20 of those pictures, that's 10 matches, you can walk out of here with $1,000. Now the professor's gonna be helping you.
Okay.
The audience is gonna be helping you.
Okay.
But you're the only one that can talk.
Okay.
She can tell you the numbers. Matter of fact, give me your mic.
That's a smart move.
I see what, I'm a professor of communication. I know I'm gonna be talking now. So she can help you, but you're the only one that's gonna be calling out the numbers. Okay. Now flip these numbers over. Scramble them up. All right, now this is how this works. Your time will start after your first two numbers get picked. Go.
1, 2.
1, 2.
3, 4.
3, 4.
5, 6.
5, 6.
3, 5.
3, 5.
6, 8.
6, 8.
9, 10.
9, 10. 1,
1, 8.
Come on, let's go.
2, 7. 6, 11. 6, 4. 2, 11. 12, 13.
12, 13.
14, 15.
7, 13.
7, 13.
7, 13.
7, 13. 14, 15. 12, 14. 12, 14.
Yes.
16, 17.
16, 17.
16, 4. 16, 4.
Yeah.
9, 4.
10, 18.
10, 18. 10, 16.
Yep,
17, 19.
17, 19.
17, 9.
17, 9.
4, 18.
Oh, you still did good.
Yeah, you did good. You got $700. Now here's the deal. This is gonna be real simple.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the 700 and you can walk away.
Okay.
Or real simple.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you the whole 1,000.
Okay.
All you got to do is turn around and match any two you want.
4, 15.
15,
4, 15.
She's gonna go for it. 700. Congratulations, lady. You just won yourself $1,000. Stay right here. Thank y'all for playing, Angela. We'll be right back, y'all. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I got a lot more that you're gonna enjoy, so just click to watch the next one. And make sure you subscribe to always know what's happening.